Hi, I'm Ivaldo Albuquerque, editor of Exotic FX. Thanks for watching. As a currency trader, I follow the forex market very closely, but I also watch other markets such as stocks, bonds, and precious metals because sometimes they can help me with my currency trades. They can help you decide if you should buy or short the dollar against other currencies. Let's take a look at silver, for example. Here we are looking at a chart that has dollar and silver. So in this green line we have the fund UUP, which tracks the dollar index, and this yellow line we have the ETF SLV, which tracks the price of silver. So notice that there is an inverse correlation between the dollar and silver. So when silver drops, the dollar goes up. You can see here when silver goes down, the dollar tends to rally. And when there is a rally in silver, the dollar tends to drop. So there is an inverse correlation between dollar and silver. If you think silver is going to drop, then it means the dollar will most likely rally. So let's take a look at silver right now and see what's going on. We are looking at a weekly chart of the same ETF, the SLV. Notice that silver is now facing resistance. It's trading against this resistance line. Last week it tried to close above that line, but it was not able to. So there's a lot of selling pressure around 34, 35. Now that doesn't mean that silver will have to collapse from here. It just means that we'll most likely see a short-term correction. So let's take a look at a daily chart of the same ETF. You can see here that last week silver tried to break above that resistance line, and on Tuesday silver closed above that line. But then on Wednesday silver gave back all those gains. It closed down by more than 6%. So that turned out to be a false breakout. Usually when you see a false breakout like this, the price tends to move a lot lower than the initial drop. So I think this is the beginning of a more significant correction for silver. So if I think silver is going to drop more, that means that the dollar will most likely rally in the short term. So that's how you can use silver in the currency markets. If you think silver is going to drop, you can buy the dollar against other currencies. You can notice here that silver is also trading now below this trend line, which is another indication that this is a more significant correction. So that's how I use silver. If I think silver is going to drop, I tend to buy the dollar against other currencies in the forex market. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.